So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It might look a bit different if you're using Windows 10, but it's still pretty much going to be the same. You want to go with the option that's most applicable to you. I'm going to select I can't download, install, uninstall and update. And then click on yes. You just want to follow through all the steps that will come up here, and if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. The same for Windows 10. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, you want to restart your computer. And this should fix your problem.